Good morning, students of class 10. I am Bhusan Prasad, your subject mathematics. Today's topic is trigonometry. Today's topic is trigonometry. Now, I just take it the first part that is called trigonometric ratios. For any right triangles, if you consider this angle, acute angle theta, so for this theta, we say that this side is represented as perpendicular and this one is base and the side opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. So in symbolic form it is P, it is B and it is H. Is it clear? So for this acute angle theta, the side opposite to this theta is P, related to this angle, this is your base B, and side opposite to 90 degree, that is called hypotenuse H. Now, what is the relation between this PB and H? Just see, you know the Pythagoras result. P square plus B square is equal to H square. Okay, P square plus B square is equal to H square. And now from this results, we have calculated these three relations also. If you want to calculate H, you can write like this, root under P square plus B square. For P, root under H square minus B square. For B, root under H square minus P square. Now we define the trigonometric ratios. The ratios of perpendicular and hypotenuse, that is defined as sine of that angle. It is called sine theta. In the same way, cos theta is B by H, tan theta is P by B, cosec theta H by P, sec theta H by B, whereas cot theta is B by P. So that there are 6 possible ratios out of these 3 sides, P, B and H. What are? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Please remember these ratios. Is it clear? So once again, sin theta is P by H, cos theta, B by H, tan theta, P by B. Cosec theta, H by P, sec theta, H by B, cot theta, B by P. Now some problems based on this, just see now. If sin theta is 3 by 5, find the other t ratios. I mean other trigonometric ratios. So we have the 6 trigonometric ratios. Out of this, one value of 1, I mean sin theta is given. So we have to find out the others. I mean cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So that it is mentioned, find the other trigonometric ratios. For this purpose, just say this method. We have sin theta is 3 by 5. What is the value of sin theta? P by H is equal to 3 by 5. So directly you can write like this. If P is equal to 3, it is the ratio. So just I am putting the condition. If P is 3, then H is equal to 5 and we can calculate the values of P using the formula. How much? 4. So in this way, we know the values of P, B and H. Now very easily we can calculate cos theta B by H, that is 4 by 5. Cosec theta H by P, this is 5 by 3. Cot theta B by P 4 by 3 and so on, tan theta and sec theta. So just see once again what you have to do. The question is given to you that sin theta is 3 by 5. Put the values of sin theta. What is the ratio? P by H. P by H 3 by 5. So directly we can write if P is equal to 3, then H will be equal to 5. Now P and H is known. You can calculate the values of B. Is it clear? And so if you are knowing the P, B and H, now we can calculate. Sin theta is already given. So cos theta B by H 4 by 5. Tan theta P by B 3 by 4. Cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Now just see the another language, other types of problem. The question says that if 13 tan theta is equal to 12, find the value of 2 sin theta into cos theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. So for this questions, we required only sin theta and cos theta, not all t ratios. So we will follow in the same way. 13 tan theta is 12. So tan theta will be 12 by 13 or tan theta, this is called P by B. So that we can take if P is 12, this implies B will be 13 and we calculate the h, root under p square plus b square. So this is root under 313. Okay. Now calculate the values of sine theta p by h, that is called 12 by root under 313, and cos theta b by h, it will be 13 by root under 313. Now take the expression 2 sine theta into cos theta by cos square sine square theta. Put all the values. Try to simplify. Is it clear? So that it will be simplified like this, and you will get the answer 312 by 25. That's all. Just see we proceed for the next types of problem. Just see. Question says that if 5 tan theta is 4, so that 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by 5 sin theta plus 2 cos theta is 1 by 6. We can solve this question also as we have done question number 1 and 2. But here just see that I have taken a different way. As the question in your question part, the values of tan theta is given. 5 tan theta is 4, so tan theta is only 4 by 5. And whereas we have to calculate sine and cos, just see. So 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta, 5 sin theta plus 2 cos. I mean, in your question part, it is only sine and cos in such a way that in numerator it is in difference, and in denominator it is in some parts. So that for such types of problem, you can proceed in this way also, so that you can do it very easily. Just take it. 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by 5 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. Divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. What you will do it? Dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta we get. So if you divide by cos theta, so sin by cos, that will become tan theta, and cos cancel, so it is only 3. So 5 tan theta minus 3, 5 tan theta plus 2. As sin by cos, this is formula, sin by cos will be tan theta. And now put the values of tan theta 4 by 5. Is it given to you? Tan theta is 4 by 5. And so that you can simplify and get the result. So if you follow this method, there will be no need to calculate the values of P, B, and H, and also the sin theta and the cos theta. So directly if you divide numerator and denominators, you can get this. Just see one more problem of the same type. Here tan theta is given A by B. And you have to prove that a sine theta minus b cos theta divided by a sine theta plus b cos theta is equal to a square minus b square by a square plus b square. Now we observe that it is also of the same type. So what do we do it now? Once again we dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. So if you divide by cos theta, what will it will change into a tan theta minus b divided by a tan theta plus b. Now put the values of tan theta, that is called a by b, and now try to simplify, you will get the result. I think this types of problem it is clear to you. Now we proceed for the next part. This is called trigonometrical value. Trigonometrical value. Okay, so some for particular angles, that is called 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degrees, 60 degree, and 90 degrees. For only these 5 angles, some special values are given to you. There is no need to see the trigonometrical table. Okay, so that in your question paper also sometimes it is mentioned without using trigonometrical table. Solve it. So you should remember these tables. Okay. What are the values here? Just see in this chart, it is already given to you. Just see the for sine theta. In this way, it is your trigonometric ratios, and here it is in this side, it is your angles. How we read? Just we read like that: sine 0, 0, sine 30, half. This is the value of sine 30 degree. Sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2, sine 91. So just remember the values of sine theta in order. Now, what is the value for cos theta? Just see cos theta is 1. So, if you want to remember, there is only one trick. Just remember the values of sine theta. Now, cos theta is just in reverse order. Just see. 1 is here, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0. Is it clear? In the reverse order, we have mentioned the values of sine theta. And if you divide sine by cos, this is called tan theta. Okay. How we get the values of tan theta? Tan theta is equal to sine by cos. In the same way, cosec theta is how much? 1 by sine theta. Sec theta is how much? 1 by cos theta. And cot theta is how much? 1 by tan theta. You can get the relations as you know that tan theta is P by B, whereas cot theta is B by P. So that cot theta is thus the reciprocal of tan theta. So in this way, you can memorize the chart very easily. At first, learn the values of sine theta. Okay, I think very easily you can remember these 5 values. And so the cos theta in the reverse order, tan theta, and so on. Okay, and if you know all these values, so that you can solve more problems based on this. Just see. It says that find the values, cos 60 into cos 30 plus sin 60 into sin 30. Okay. For this purpose, simply you have to put the values. Now, what is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Is it clear? And try to simplify. So it becomes now root 3 by 4. It is also root 3 by 4. So 2 times root 3 by 4. This is root 3 by 2. So for such types of problem, the essential part is simple, that you should know the values correctly. Now just take one more example. Evaluate 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus 10 square 45 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So I have taken the expression, I have put the values for cos 60 how much? Half. So it is half square. Now 4 into sec 30 how much? 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 the whole square. In the same way it is 1 whole square, half square, root 3 by 2 square. And try to simplify. 5 by 4, 16 by 3 minus 1 by this one. Take the LCMs and you can get the values 67 by 12. Now for this types, the another type of problem should be like this. See, on the basis of trigonometrical values, just see. Question says that if A is equal to 30 and B is equal to 60, verify that this relation. Actually, this is an identity. This is your trigonometrical identity you will learn in class 11. And here we have to simply verify using these values. So we take the LHS cos A plus B. Put the values of A and B. 30 plus 60, that is cos 90. Cos 90 is how much? 0. For RHS, cos A into cos B minus sin into sin B. Cos A, value of A is 30. So it becomes cos 30, cos 60, here sin 30, sin 60. Now put the values for all terms. Okay, and simplify. And in this way, we find that LHS is equal to RHS. Is it clear? Just see one more problem of this time. It says that if theta is 30 degree, verify that cos 2 theta, okay, cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now LHS cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 into 30, as theta is 30 degree. So cos 2 into 30 how much? Cos 60. Cos 60 is how much? Half. Whereas for RHS, yes, 1 minus tan square 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. Now, value of tan 30, 1 by root 3. So, we can put now 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square, 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square. So, 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by 3, simplify 2 by 4. This is how much? 1 by 2. In this way, we find LHS and RHS are equal. So, students, we have discussed at present the 8 problems. Now I just suggest you do your homework. What I have mentioned for you, just see. Solve at least 10 more problems. What is mentioned here? 10 more problems. I mean you will solve this 8 problems and plus 10 more. Okay, at least 10 more problems of similar type, of the same types you can select, and selecting from your test book. Okay, and in the next lecture, we will discuss more types of problem. based on supplementary angle and identity. Okay, so for today, that's all. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.